Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. It's your friend here, Brandon, here at DripWorks. Today I'm going to be talking about our TechLock fittings from Netafim. Right here I have a coupler, but we have all sorts of different fittings to fit your needs, like tees or plugs. It's a 17 millimeter. It has a great brown color to it, so that's perfect for landscaping and blending in. These is quick field applications for these, so it's great for large projects. Here, I'll just show you real quickly how easy it is to use and to fasten it down. All you want to do is twist the screw like so until you see the bottom of the pipe threads. You push the pipe all the way into your tech line and then turn it back towards yourself to lock into place. Like I mentioned, these are very durable. They come with a 5-year warranty. They work at PSI from 0 to 100 PSI. They're great from 32 degrees all the way up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. They're reliable. Check out our Netafim products here at dripworks.com. I hope this was useful for you. From your friends and family here at DripWorks, have a lovely day.